Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a little shorter of a clip. It's a compilation of a lot of my before pictures, but I plan on doing individual videos of each area start to finish, hopefully as best I can. So these beginning pictures are pictures of the kitchen area and the main living space where the dining and living room areas are. There's a shot of the stairwell before that I used in my stairway videos, part 1 and part 2. And as you see, a lot of piles were made for donation, garbage, and storage. So needless to say, no judgment. It was a typical basement that basically was just used for storage, and the kids would play and bring down toys, or toys they didn't use would go down. This shot is the wall that my bedroom door is on, to the left there. And I was just kind of showing you the ceiling tiles. They were all in bad shape. And all the paneling was dark, like in the square here. Part of it had been painted. Most of the parts were not. The parts that were painted, it made it easier for the wallpaper to go on. Actually, most of the parts, the wallpaper was pretty easy. But you also see that dark brown floor, Congolium. That's what I'm saying. It was all refinished in the 70s. So we're now moving into the bedroom. This room was added for my bonus grandson, and my daughter and her husband added it. And after he became an adult and is now raising his own family, my daughter used it as a homeschool room as well as an art studio. So we painted the existing walls. We're adding a little bit of pallet wood to the ceiling. We only have that one side done, and there's still a lot left that needs to be done here, but we had to make it livable in order for me to come in and be able to put my head down at night and then start working around the exterior walls in the rest of the main living area. So it still needs some trim and more pallet wood on the ceiling. It's just kind of been a work in progress. We had to get it ready so we could get the carpet laid down. My son-in-law put a really nice padding and some carpeting down. And then we were able to move my bedroom furniture in so I could officially be moved in at the time. This is just a little bit of the ceiling after the trim was put up, and then I added these pieces. They were eventually painted because the wall just stopped there. So I put those there, and I'm going to eventually put a shelf on the top of there, except for in front of the windows. We did add a little bit more pallet wood to the other side of the ceiling, but that will probably have to come down because not all the boards were even. I still have a pile of pallet wood, so that's just a job for another time at this point. So this is just a little shot, me and my Tim Hortons. I pretty much lived on that stuff while I was working in here, and still do. But this is kind of just a little shot of everything up to date that has been done prior to laying the carpet. Still a lot of caulking that needs to be done around the trim, but most of the painting is done. That was the most important part. We just didn't want to have paint spilled on the new carpet. So the basement windows had been replaced in this room. Those are actually the only two windows in the whole basement. They still need to be trimmed out though, and I would like to put some kind of sill in them that would not prevent me from getting out of them in the event that I had to. I also do have a ladder that I'm going to paint. It's red right now, but I'm going to paint it so it blends into my wall. To make it easy access to get out in the event of a fire or something like that. This is my carpet padding, and it's super soft. Obviously, it's made by recycled Nike tennis shoes. And here it is, all laid down, and carpet is getting ready to go in. So carpet has been stretched, and now the bedroom furniture is coming in. You can see there we did add a few more pieces to the ceiling, but there's a few of them that are not completely flat, so they're going to have to come down, and we're going to have to start over on that side. And here I am amidst my mess trying to get stuff moved in. Behind me is where my desk is that I sit and do my voiceovers. So this is pretty much what it looks like now. This was taken around Thanksgiving, and I'm going to be having videos coming up of each individual space and different projects that I've done, along with more projects down the road. So hopefully you'll hang around. Please feel free to subscribe if it's something you enjoy watching, and good Lord willing, I'll see you in the